Getting notifications from the shell. How to hook to the shell internal event triggering. If you have ever needed to know when the shell issues an event, here is a wrapper around SHChangeNotifyRegister which allows you to know the kind of event and the file affected. This component is in stage 1 of development, however it offers the whole functionality. The component itself is composed of enhancements made to TSHChangeNotify component by Elliott Shevin, shevine at AOL.com. By the way, here is a list of things you should be aware when using this component. For instance, restoring an item from the recycle bin to the original location. Turn on a rename event. While you get a notification over an event, you cannot stop it, you just get notified of it. Deleting an item causes 3 events. OnFileDelete, when the dialog, or the lack of, is displayed. Normally this is before the deletion of the file. An OnFolderUpdate, after the element is removed and the folder refreshes. And surprise, yet another OnFileDelete, after the file has completely been deleted. This behavior is not of the component but of the API it relies on. Also, according to some documentation I read, the APIs used on this article are entirely undocumented. Perhaps it can be possible to stop the event, however due to lack of documentation, it is unknown to me. $if and def ver $80 if and def ver $90 if and def ver $93 define Delphi 3 or higher $and if unit shell notify interface uses Windows messages sysutils classes controls forms dialogs $if and def Delphi 3 or higher OLE2 $else ActiveX ComObj $and if SHLObj type notify register equals record piddlepath p item id list b watch subtree boolean and notifyRegister equals !notify register const snm underscore shell notification equals wm underscore user +1 shcnf underscore accept underscore interrupts equals $0001 shcnf underscore accept underscore non underscore interrupts equals $0002 shcnf underscore no underscore proxy equals $8,000 type T notification event equals NE association change NE attributes change NE file change NE file create NE file delete NE file rename NE drive add NE drive remove NE shell drive add NE drive space change NE media insert NE media remove NE folder create NE folder delete NE folder rename NE folder update NE net share NE net unshare any server disconnect, any image list change, T notification events equals set of T notification event, T shell notification event 1 equals procedure, sender, T object, path, string of object, T shell notification event 2 equals procedure, sender, T object, path 1, path 2, string, of object, T shell notification equals class, T component, private F watch events, T notification events, F path, string, F active, F watch, boolean, previous path 1, previous path 2, string, previous event, integer, handle, notify handle, HWND, F on association change, T notify event, F on attrib change, T shell notification event 2, F on create, T shell notification event 1, FONDELETE, T shell notification event 1, F on drive add, T shell notification event 1, F on drive add GUI, T shell notification event 1, F on drive remove, T shell notification event 1, F on media insert, T shell notification event 1, F on media remove, T shell notification event 1, F on dir create, T shell notification event 1, F on net share, T shell notification event 1, F on net unshare, T shell notification event 1, F on rename folder, T shell notification event 2, F on item rename, T shell notification event 2, F on folder remove, T shell notification event 1, F on server disconnect, T shell notification event 1, F on folder update, T shell notification event 1, function path from PIDL, P item ID list string, procedure set watch events, const value, T notification events, function get active, boolean, procedure set active, const value, boolean, procedure set path, const value, string, procedure set watch, const value, boolean, protected procedure shall notify register, procedure shall notify unregister, procedure WNDPROC, var message, T message, procedure do association change, dynamic, procedure do attributes change, path 1, path 2, string, dynamic, procedure do create file, path, string, dynamic, procedure do delete file, path, string, dynamic, procedure do drive add, path string, dynamic, procedure do drive add GUI, path, string, dynamic, procedure do drive remove, path, string, dynamic, procedure do media insert, path, string, dynamic, procedure do media remove, path, string, dynamic, procedure do dir create, path, string, dynamic, procedure donut share, path, string, dynamic, procedure do net unshare, path, string, dynamic, procedure do rename folder, path 1, path 2, string, dynamic, procedure do rename item, path 1, path 2, string, dynamic, procedure do folder remove, path, string, dynamic, procedure do server disconnect, path, string, dynamic, procedure do dir update, path, string, dynamic, public constructor create, a owner, t component, override, destructor destroy, override, published property path, string read f path write set path, property active, boolean read get active write, set active, property watch subtree, boolean read f watch write set watch, property watch events, t notification events read f watch events write set watch events, property on association change, t notify event read f on association change write f on association change, property on attributes change, t shell notification event to read f on attrib change write f on attrib change, property on file create, t shell notification event 1 read f on create write f on create, property on folder rename, t shell notification event 2 read f on rename folder write f on rename folder, property on folder update, t shell notification event 1 read f on folder update write f on folder update, property on file delete, t shell notification event 1 read fond delete write fond delete, property on drive add, t shell notification event 1 read f on drive add write f on drive add, property on folder remove, t shell notification event 1 read f on folder remove write f on folder remove, property on item rename, t shell notification event 2 read f on item rename write f on item rename, property on drive add GUI, t shell notification event 1 read f on drive add GUI write f on drive add GUI, property on drive remove, t shell notification event 1 read f on drive remove write f on drive remove, property on media inserted, t shell notification event 1 read f on media insert write f on media insert, property on media remove, t shell notification event 1 read f on media remove write f on media remove, property on dir create, T shell notification event 1 read f on dir create write f on dir create, property on net share, T shell notification event 1. Read f on net share write f on net share, property on net unshare, T shell notification event 1 read f on net unshare write f on net unshare, property on server disconnect, T shell notification event 1 read f on server disconnect write f on server disconnect, and function SHChangeNotifyRegister, HWND, HWND, DW flags, integer, W event mask, cardinal, uMessage, uInt, C items, integer, LP items, notifyRegister, HWND, stcall, function SHChangeNotifyRegister, HWND, HWND, boolean, stcall, function shil create from path, path, pointer, PIDL, pitem id list, var attributes, ulong h result, stcall, procedure register, implementation const shell 32 dll equals shell 32.dll, function SHChangeNotifyRegister, external shell 32 dll index 2, function SHChangeNotifyRegister, external shell 32 dll index 4, function shil create from path, external shell 32 dll index 28, T shell notification constructor T shell notification dot create, a owner, T component, begin inherited create, a owner, if not, CS designing in component state, then handle equals, allocate HWND, WND PROC, previous event equals 0, F watch events equals NE association change, NE attributes change, NE file change, NE file create, NE file delete, NE file rename, NE drive add, NE drive remove, NE shell drive add, NE drive space change, NE media insert, NE media remove, NE folder create, NE folder delete, NE folder rename, NE folder update, NE net share, NE net unshare, NE server disconnect, NE image list change, and destructor T shell notification dot destroy, begin if not, CS designing in component state, then active equals false, if handle 0 then deallocate HWND, handle, inherited destroy, and procedure T shell notification dot do association change, begin if assigned, F on association change, and any association change in wich events, then on association change, self, and procedure TSHChangeNotify.do attributes change, begin if assigned, on attrib change, then on attrib change, self, path 1, path 2, and procedure TSHChangeNotify.do create file, path, string, begin if assigned, on create, then on create, self, path, end. Procedure TSHChangeNotify.do delete file, path, string, begin if assigned, delete, then delete, self, path, and procedure TSHChangeNotify.do dir create, path, string, begin if assigned, on dir create, then on dir create, self, path, and procedure TSHChangeNotify.do dir update, path, string, begin if assigned, OnFolderUpdate, then OnFolderUpdate, self, path, and procedure TSHChangeNotify.do drive add, path, string, begin if assigned, on drive add, then on drive add, self, path, and procedure TSHChangeNotify.do drive add GUI, path, string, begin if assigned, on drive add GUI, then on drive add, self, path, and procedure TSHChangeNotify.do drive remove, path, string, begin if assigned, on drive remove, then on drive remove, self, path, and procedure TSHChangeNotify.do folder remove, path, string, begin if assigned, on folder remove, then on folder remove, self, path, and procedure TSHChangeNotify.do media insert, path, string, begin if assigned, on media insert, then on media insert, self, path, and procedure TSHChangeNotify.do media remove, path, string, begin if assigned, on media remove, then on media remove, self, path, and procedure TSHChangeNotify.do share, path, string, begin if assigned, on net share, then on net share, self, path, and procedure TSHChangeNotify.do net unshare, path, string, begin if assigned, on net unshare, then on net unshare, self, path, and procedure TSHChangeNotify.doRename folder, path 1, path 2. String, begin if assigned, F on rename folder, then F on rename folder, self, path 1, path 2, and procedure TSHChangeNotify.doRename item, path 1, path 2, string, begin if assigned, F on item rename, then F on item rename, self, path 1, path 2, and procedure TSHChangeNotify.doServerDisconnect, path, string, begin if assigned, F on server disconnect, then F on server disconnect, self, path, and function TSHChangeNotify.getActive, boolean, begin result equals, notify handle 0, and F active, and function TSHChangeNotify.path from PIDL, P item ID list string, begin set length, result, max underscore path, if not get path from ID list, PIDL, pchar, result, then result equals, if POS, number 0, result, 0 then set length, result, POS, number 0, result, and procedure TSHChangeNotify.setActive, const value, boolean, begin if, value F active, then begin F active equals value, if F active then shall notify register else shall notify unregister, and procedure TSHChangeNotify.setPath, const value, string, begin if F path. Value then begin F path equals value, shall notify register, and procedure TSHChangeNotify.setWatch, const value, boolean, begin if F watch value then begin F watch equals value, shall notify register, and procedure TSHChangeNotify.setWatch events, const value, tNotification events, begin if F watch events value then begin F watch events equals value, shall notify register, and procedure TSHChangeNotify.shallNotifyRegister, var option, tNotification event, notify record, notify register. Flags, dword, PIDL, P item ID list, attributes, ulong, const notify flags, array tNotification event of dword equals, SHChangeNotify, SHChangeNotify attributes, SHChangeNotify item, SHChangeNotify SHChangeNotify-delete, SHChangeNotify-rename item, SHChangeNotify-drive AOD, shne_drive removed, shne_drive GUI, shne_free space, shne_media inserted, shne_media removed, shne_mkdir, shne_render, shne_rename folder, shne_update_dir, shne_netshare, shne_net_and-share, shne_server disconnect, shne_updates image, begin. Shall notify unregister, if not, CS designing in component state, and not, CS loading in component state, then begin shil create from path, pchar, fpath, address, PIDL, attributes, notify record.PIDL path equals PIDL, notify record.bwatch subtree equals fwatch, flags equals 0, for option equals low, option, to high, option, do if, option in fwatch events, then flags equals flags or notify flags option, notify handle equals SHChangeNotifyRegister, handle, SHCNF_accept_interrupts or SHCNF_accept_non_interrupts, flags, SNM_shell notification, 1, add notify record, and, procedure T shell notification. Shell notify unregister, begin if notify handle 0 then SHChangeNotify the register, notify handle, and, procedure T shell notification. WNDPROC, var message, T message, type T PIDList equals record PIDList, array 12 of PTMIDList, and, PIDarray equals _T PIDList, var path 1, string, path 2, string, ptr, PIDarray, repeated, boolean, event, long-int, begin case message. Message of SNM_shell notification, begin event equals message.lparam and $7FFFFFFF, ptr equals PIDarray, message.wparam, path 1 equals path from PIDL, ptr_PIDList1, path 2 equals path from PIDL, ptr_PIDList2, repeated equals, previous event equals event, and, uppercase, previous path 1, equals uppercase, path 1, and, uppercase, previous path 2, equals uppercase, path 2, if repeated then exit, previous event equals message.message, previous path 1 equals path 1, previous path 2 equals path 2, case event of shne_changed, do association change, shne_attributes, do attributes change, path 1, path 2. shni_create, do create file, path 1, shni_delete, do delete file, path 1, shni_drive add, do drive add, path 1, shni_drive add GUI, do drive add GUI, path 1, shni_drive removed, do drive remove, path 1, shni_media inserted, do media insert, path 1, shni_media removed, do media remove, path 1, shni_mkdir, do dir create, path 1, shni_net share, do net share, path 1, shni_net unshare, do net unshare, path 1, shni_rename folder, do rename folder, path 1, path 2, shni_rename item, do rename item, path 1, path 2, shni_remdir, do folder remove, path 1, shni_server disconnect, do server disconnect, path, shni_update dir, do dir update, path, shni_updates image, shni_update item, n//case event of n//snm_shell notification end, //case end, procedure register, begin register components, shell, t-shell notification, and, end. Enhancements questions et al. Please drop a comment or email. Smiley face. Thanks to Willy and Egg for reporting bugs and offering a solution around M. Smiley face.